Hi friends, I am from Atlanta Healthcare, India's most trusted air purifier brand, offering a variety of products to beat severe air pollution levels in the city. Firstly, I would like to thank you for choosing our next generation air purifier, Tornado Pure. Today I am here to give you an easy tutorial on how to install and change filters of Tornado Pure air purifier. How to install your Tornado Pure? The high-performance Tornado Pure box contains a remote control, machine manual, Tornado air purifier and 3 filters. To install Tornado Pure, you need to follow a few simple steps. Step 1. First pull the side covers and extract sidewards like this. Step 2. Now remove the 3 sets of filter. Remove all the packing bags like this. Step 3. The next step is placing the filter number 1, which is activated carbon filter, back into the inner side of the machine. You have to ensure that the tab is facing towards you. Step 4. In a similar way, place HEPA filter. Step 5. Now place the last filter, which is pre-filter, on the cover of the machine. The pre-filter should be cleaned by washing periodically to ensure improved performance of the machine. Step 6. Close the cover of the machine by inserting the top and then pressing the bottom. Now plug in the adapter of Tornado Pure air purifier and start the unit. For product features, please view the video, the link of which is given in the description. Tornado air purifier has 3 filters which undertake 5 of the 7 stages of purification, and these filters need to be changed as per usage. To get new filter sets, please place your order online on our website atlantahealthcare.in or on any other leading e-commerce portal. You can also contact us and the details are provided here. Our contact number is 011 654 35060. Mail us at sales@atlantahealthcare.in. Remember, maintaining your air purifier will keep your unit working at higher efficiency to provide purified air. Now let us learn how to change the filters. Step 1. First open the side cover of the air purifier. Keep it aside safely so that it doesn't get damaged. Step 2. Now wash the pre-filter with clean running tap water till all the dirt is washed away from the pre-filter. Let the pre-filter dry completely. Step 3. Replace the HEPA and activated carbon filter with the new filter set and install them back as shown earlier. Step 4. Put the cover back into the position along with the pre-filter. Your machine is now ready to use again. Breathe pure, stay healthy with Atlanta Healthcare Air Purifier.